Say she don't miss me, I know that she lying. I can see straight through that girl like a window, no blind. Yeah, how that frying don't get left behind. I say, girl, start that.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl Celebrity Renee, and I'm back with another video. So today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I make my quick weave lace frontal wigs. This is actually a 360 frontal that I actually cut the band off the back. So right now I'm just securing the frontal down on my wig cap, braiding it up before I start actually sewing it down and attaching it to the cap. I do like to use the dome cap with the holes in it because I like for my scalp to be able to breathe. So as you see, I'm just going to braid. This is a old frontal. This is the frontal that I had in that I had sewn in during surgery. So I actually just took it off, cut the back off, and yeah, so that's why I look kind of greasy, kind of oily. So it does have to be washed because I just came home, took it off, and y'all know after surgery I wasn't trying to do anything. Okay, so just get this on. Yeah, y'all can see. Oh, y'all, I'm sorry, my little fat arms in the way. Just gonna braid. And if you guys are wondering, yes, this is hair from my line Celebrity Luxury Hair. Frontals and hair both can be found on celebrityluxuryhair.com. Follow me on Instagram at celebrityluxuryhair. I do have a Facebook group where I teach other women how to start hair businesses with little to no money, so please follow that group, which would be the Hair Business Plug, and I'll leave that link down below as well. Alright, y'all, so now we got that all braided up. Now it's time to sew the frontal down to the cap. Y'all, my stand kept messing up. I don't know, like, I'm going to have to get me another wig stand. I got this one from Amazon, but it's like the more you touch it and move it, it closes up on you. Anybody else had that problem with their hair stand, their wig stand? Let me know what y'all did to keep it from closing up on me like that. I'm sorry if y'all keep hearing this little beeping noise in the back. It just went off again. My smoke detectors need new batteries, and it just started last night. So we'll be going to Walmart in a minute, but I gotta get this wig out the way. Just adjusting the camera so y'all can see. Oh, y'all, my arms is ashy. Y'all don't talk about me, okay? I'm all out of frame now. This is my first time ever doing a wig on video, so I'm trying to get there, y'all. So y'all just work with me. But I promise y'all we're gonna get it there. Now I do hair as well as a profession for a living. I do make wigs all the time for customers, myself, family members. I just never did it on YouTube before. I was like, it's so many wig videos, but I was bored. I was just sitting at home, waist training. So I was like, you know what? Let me go and make this wig. And then my boyfriend was like, well, you should just record you making a wig. And I was like, okay, we're going to try this. We're going to see. So just going to sew. I do use the, regular sewing method, just loop and pull basically. It doesn't have to be all extra neat and, because it's not going to be seen. So I'm just sewing this frontal on down. So y'all, I have seen that you guys have really been liking my surgery update videos, and I just want to thank you guys so much. That is everything to me, especially during this healing process. I need all the encouragement, everything I can get during this time. I will be 3 months in a couple of days, so y'all be looking out for that 3-month review. Y'all, I am so out of frame, it's ridiculous. See, it's not me, it's the mannequin. See, I had to move the mannequin back. The mannequin keeps moving on its own. Oh my god. Yeah, I sound a little stuffy. I got a cold. During the summertime, it's the worst. So I couldn't just, talk to you guys during this video because I was in my zone. He had the music pumping in the house. He was working out or whatever. So we was just in our own little zone. I'm making wigs. He working out. So yeah, didn't want to get copywritten because y'all was listening to everybody. You hear me? So like I said, we're just going to sew. We're almost finished, as you can see. If you guys want to see more videos like this, please comment below and let me know what videos you guys would like to see. I kind of have a hard time deciding what videos to shoot and not shoot. Y'all, I'm still new to this. I'm still trying to figure this whole thing out. Of course, I know for a fact that my surgery videos are a hit, but it's more to me than just surgery, So y'all give me some ideas of some videos y'all would like to see from me, and I'll make sure I get them out. And while we're here, I need y'all to do me a favor. Make sure you go hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on. I'm going to wait. I'm going to sit right here and wait on y'all to go do that for me. Y'all do that. Please, please, please. I said, y'all, I need y'all help because a girl be struggling with video ideas. I'm not even going to lie to you. Y'all, this little noise is going to drive me crazy. I'm about to wake him up and make him go to the store now. Alright. That's all done. Sewn down. Yada, yada, yada. Alright. Time to cut the extra lace. So I'm just taking the pins out. And like I said, guys, this will be a quick weave frontal wig. So yeah, I will be gluing everything down. So now I'm just going to put the shower cap on so the glue won't get on my mannequin head. Just put everything back down. And once I'm finished, I'm going to cut that from the bottom. But that'll be another video. This video is actually going to be a 3-part video because I'm going to show you guys how I actually make the wig. I will be coloring this wig and I will be styling this wig. This wig is for me, so it's really not a rush, but I want to wear it because I got a cute color idea. So yeah, I will be showing you guys all of that. Like I said, making hair videos is something new to me, so I see I gotta get these angles right, y'all. Okay, so here we have a 14-inch body waves bundle from my company, Celebrity Luxury Hair. So I'm just gonna unravel it, ravel. Yeah, guys, I did speed this video up because it takes about a good hour to make this. So I didn't want to, have this whole hour-long video for you guys. So I want to cut it down as much as possible. So you see I'm just cutting some more off the back of the frontal. And now it's just time to start gluing it. So this is what I'm just going to do the whole way. You just measure your track and you glue it. As y'all see, my glue was dried up. Like I said, I'm just going to glue. So I'm just putting the glue on the tracks. I seen other people that just put the glue on the cap and then just put the tracks down. I really don't like that because it doesn't secure the track to me. And then you just have a whole bunch of glue inside your wig for no reason. And it just takes extra time to actually dry. So yeah, I just like putting my glue on the actual track. So I'm just going to do that all the way up. I'm putting my bundles about 1.5 inches apart. My tracks about 1.5 inches apart. I will be using 1.5 bundle for this wig. Yeah, I know y'all like, girl, that ain't enough hair for that wig, but trust me, it is for the type of style that I'm going for. Sometimes wigs be too bulky, like with a lot of hair. Like, don't get me wrong, I like to stack my bundles too. You know, sometimes I do 4, sometimes I do 3. Sometimes I might even do 5, depending on the style, especially like curly hair. It's gotta be bigger. Sorry, y'all. My back is in, my shoulders all in the way of the camera again. Like I said, I gotta get this whole angle thing worked out. Y'all looking at my fat arms? Y'all don't talk about me, okay? That will be lipo next, okay? Oh, yeah, guys, I am having another surgery. So, yeah, we're about to get ready for that journey as well. So, I will be keeping you guys, you know, abreast of all of that and what's going on, where I'm going, when I'm going, etc. Had a little slippage. It's okay. I don't like using Pump It Up on my wigs to spray it, to hold it. Yeah, it just gets too hard for me. I don't like that. I want this wig to be nice and flowy, you know, and still moving stuff. But yeah, guys, I am having another surgery. Oh my God, y'all. For the haters come. No, I'm not addicted to surgery. No, I don't feel like I don't love myself. I love myself very, very, very much. No, I'm not doing it for no man. I've been with my man almost 10 years. So that ain't it, sis. Okay? I'm doing this for me. For me, this is something that I want for me. And y'all, when y'all have surgery in one spot, the fat spots come in the other spots, okay? And y'all like, fat? Yes, girl, fat. No matter how much you eat right, exercise, you still gonna have fat. So accumulate. And y'all, it's growing up under my armpits. I have big armpits and back fat now. And I know y'all like, he lipoed your back. Well, I wouldn't say back fat. I would really say bra roll fat. But I'm going to update y'all on all of that when I do my 3-month post BBL review. So, yeah. But yeah, guys, I'm just gluing. As I get to the top, I'll start making my tracks kind of go in the U shape at the top, like a downward U. You'll see in a second. But yeah, just glue the tracks. But y'all, I really do need y'all help with some ideas. So please, please, please leave those video ideas below, okay? I want to get more videos out to you guys, but the makeup videos just started to become more like repetitive and boring. Plus, I'm still learning the whole makeup thing, so it was fun. But y'all, I want to do more than just makeup on here. So, but I do have some Fashion Nova try on hauls coming for y'all. So, y'all, since surgery, I went down a whole nother size, well, more than a size, down a few sizes. But I actually have been buying clothes from Fashion Nova and stacking them up for y'all for this big Fashion Nova haul, because sis coins ain't, you know, I ain't sponsored by Fashion Nova, so I'm not finna just spend $400 and $500. You feel me? At one time on no clothes, and she got bills. Okay. So with that being said, y'all, I actually placed the order yesterday for Fashion Nova. I don't know if y'all know, but Fashion Nova hit 12 million on IG, so they're having a big sale, and the code is 12MIL, and you get 30% off plus free 1-day shipping, sis. Yeah, I placed my order yesterday, which was Friday. Okay, my order will be here Monday. Like, they already sent out the shipping information. My order already been shipped out. Okay, y'all, so, yeah. Y'all see, I'm plugging Fashion Nova. Y'all hit Fashion Nova up and tell them your girl just had surgery. She got a new body. She dressing. She need a Fashion Nova haul. Come sponsor me something. You know. But yeah, y'all, so I'm just, y'all see, I make the tracks go kind of downward to close out the top, and I'm just going to do that all the way down to the bottom. Y'all, this is my first time doing a voice over, and I kind of like it. I ain't even gonna lie to you. It's something new for me, so it's the first time for everything. Y'all see how the whole wig came out to follow me? It's leaning. Y'all, I really gotta figure out something about this wig stand because, but you know what? I think it's only doing this because it's on carpet. Because when it's at my shop, it does not do this for me. When I have it at the shop with me, it doesn't do this. Maybe because I got tile floors at the shop or something. Maybe this carpet has it, you know, slipping and closing up. I don't know, but I don't like it at all. It's just leaning. Let me hold the head up. So, all right. See, y'all, I told y'all I gotta get right with this whole angle thing. And before somebody come in and say, she got her wig head backwards. Yes, I know I have it backwards. I like to make mine backwards because your head is bigger in the back than it is in the front. Okay? And some of these wig heads, well, mine in particular, the hump part, like, you know, like the back of the head, is on the front part. So I like to use that for the back to fill it out. Okay? So yes, sis, I know it's backwards. I know. We almost there, y'all. We almost there. Y'all, I really gotta work on these angles. Cause my arm was all in the camera. And this wig is made, so it ain't no taking it apart and putting it back together. No ma'am. I'm sorry. I just have to apologize to y'all for my fat arms and underarms in the way the whole time. And my back. Okay? Alright, y'all, so we just about to place the last track down. I really thought you guys could see. I'm so sorry. So when y'all see me walk away, I'm just, you know, cutting the track and gluing it. Oh, y'all, my arm is all into camera. That is not cute. Alright, y'all, so I'm braiding the sides. Alright, just combing the frontal and everything out. And I'm just going to sit here and let this dry overnight. So, I will be coming back to color it once it's fully dry. And I will be filming it as well. Like I said, guys, this is a 14 and a 12-inch body wave with a 12-inch body wave 360 frontal that I made into just a regular frontal. So I can see, just combing it down. I can see the parting. Yeah. Nothing special, just take it off. I'm actually gonna pull the cap off. That's why it looks kind of bulky, you know, that cap is up under there. So, but I gotta unbraid the other side first. That's my unbraid the other side. I already unbraided the other side. Brush it on out before I actually take it down. Yeah, you just wanna let your wig sit overnight to dry, like I said. Just taking the pins out the back of the wig. And this is what the inside of your wig should look like. Of course, it is still wet and drying, so I'm just going to flip it over and let it sit like that till it dry. I'm going to sit it. I love you, dolls, and I will see you in the next video. Less bitter, more glitter. Bye, babies. Peace.